Hello students, welcome back to maths class. So we are doing integrals problems from exercise 6D, right? So we will do that 60 problems, some more problems today. So come to this question. So this is also most repeated 7 marks question. This one is 7 marks and this one is 2 marks and this one is also 2 marks question. Okay, so come on. How we will do it? First to take first problem, integral dx by 5 plus 4 cos x. So I say downward, suppose cos x is there, sin x is there, cos x, sin x both are there, then we have to take t is equal to tan x by 2, isn't it? So you take t is equal to tan x by 2. So then differentiating with respect to x on both sides, dt by dx is equal to d by dx of tan x by 2. d by dx of tan x by 2 is secant square x by 2 into d by dx of x by 2. Okay, so is equal to, it is secant square x by 2 into 1 by 2 into d by dx of x is 1. So that is 1 by 2. So what happens to our value now? So dt by dx is equal to, instead of secant square we can write 1 plus tan square x by 2 by our trigonometry. Why we used that formula only? Here we have taken t is equal to tan x by 2. So we can write this as 1 plus t square by 2. So now you take 2 dt by 1 plus t square is equal to dx. So our dx value is in terms of t. Try to write cos x also in terms of t. So that entire problem will be in terms of t. So come on, cos x by, again by using our trigonometry formula, 1 minus tan square x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2. Okay, so is equal to 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. This is our cos x value. Okay, so we got all the values now. So take your problem and substitute. Integral dx by 5 plus 4 cos x is equal to integral dx. What is our dx? We got it as, this is our dx. So it is 2 dt by 1 plus t square by 5 plus 4 into, come on, cos x is equal to 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square, 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. So is equal to integral 2 dt by 1 plus t square by, what is the LCM? 1 plus t square is the LCM. 5 into 1 plus t square plus, open the brackets, 4 ones are 4 minus 4 t square. Okay, so 1 plus t square, 1 plus t square get cancel, is equal to 2 can be taken outside, dt by, come on, what is that? Open the brackets here also, 5 ones are 5t square, okay, plus 4 minus 4t square. So is equal to 2 into dt by 5t square minus 4t square is a t square. 5 plus 4 is 9. So generally one value is in square form. We will write other value also in square form. dt by t square plus 3 square. Okay, so there is one formula. What is that? 1 by x square plus a square dx is equal to, what is that formula? 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c is the formula. So we will write 2 into 1 by a is 1 by 3 tan inverse x, that is t by 3 plus c, is equal to 2 by 3 into tan inverse t. What is t? We have taken tan x by 2, right? So tan x by 2 by 3 plus c is the answer of your question. Okay, so very simple, but sometimes they can give problems like this also for 7 marks. So whenever downwards cos x is there, sin x is there, sometimes both sin x and cos x are there, we have to take t is equal to tan x by 2. Then differentiating with respect to x on both sides, this side dt by dx, d by dx of tan x by 2 is a secant square x by 2 into d by dx of x by 2, right? So d by dx of x by 2 can be written as d by dx of 1 by 2 outside, d by dx of x is 1, so it is 1 by 2. Next, secant square can be written as 1 by tan square by our trigonometric formula. So then find out your dx. Now your dx is in terms of dt, see, purely in terms of t values. So try to write cos x also in terms of t only, that is 1 minus tan square x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2, where tan is t. So we have taken. So then you take your original problem, right? In that question, problem means question, in that question in dx place you substitute and cos x place and take the LCM, and at the end, after converting, after substituting, we will get one standard formula of the integral in all problems, right? Working rule by applying this method, that method, at the end your problem will be in one of the standard formula form of integrals, right? Which form it is? Now we got this form. Here x is there, actually all formulas are in terms of x. X means general value. Instead of x we are having t here. So wherever in that formula x is there, we will take t. But answer does not stops with the t, right? The question is with respect to x. Your answer also must be with respect to x only. So in t place you substitute your value. That will be your answer. Okay. Now come to the next question. What is that question? So it is integral cot of log x by x dx. Okay, so how we will solve this problem? Okay, if you observe it, if we take t is equal to log x, what happens to dt by dx? dt by dx means both sides we are differentiating with respect to x. That means d by dx of log x. d by dx of log x is 1 by x. So we can write the problem as, how we can write? Cot of log x. It is not cot x into log x, cot of, right? So we cannot write separately, into 1 by x dx. We can write like this. Okay, so dt by dx is equal to 1 by x. Here we are having 1 by x dx. So here you send this dx that side. What happens? 1 by x dx, that is your dt value. So is equal to cot of log x, right, into, what is that? Here we are having this value as dt, and what is log x? We have taken t, so we can write this as cot of t, right? Generally cot theta, cot x we will have, but here cot t into dt. So again standard form, integral cot x dx is equal to log of sin x plus c is the standard formula form. So here we can write this as log of sin t plus c. So log of sin, what is t? So our t is log x, right? So log x plus c is the answer of your second question. It is 2 marks question. Okay, so which method we used? Substitution method. So I said in any problem, if we take one value as t, we can get another value right? And after substituting, it will comes into some standard form, standard formula form. Then we can go for substitution method. So that's why here if we take t is equal to log x, we'll get another value after differentiation. We'll get 1 by x dx as its derivative, right? So in such cases, we will go for our substitution method. Okay, now come to the third question. Third question again is 2 marks question. So what is the question? It is find the integral of x square by root of 1 minus x to the power of 6 dx. So is equal to x square by root of, come on, how we can write this x to the power of 6? We can write x cube whole square into dx. So why x cube whole square? If we take x cube as a t, you know that derivative, if we take the derivative of any value's power, one power will be reduced by one value. So for that sake, we have taken x to the power of 6 as x cube whole square. So you take t is equal to x cube, then what happens? dt by dx is equal to 3x square. So what will be your dt then? dt is equal to 3x square into dx. Okay, so here we are having only x square dx, not 3x square. Send that 3 this side. 1 by 3 dt is equal to x square dx. So now you got your x square dx. Which method? Substitution method. If we take one value as a t, after differentiation we'll get another value, and after substitution we'll get one standard formula form, isn't it? X square dx by root of 1 minus x cube whole square is equal to, we can write x square dx place 1 by 3 dt by root of 1 minus, what is this? t square. Okay. So we can write 1 by 3 outside and integral dt by 1 square minus t square. Now it is your standard form. What is that? 1 by root of a square minus x square integral 1 by root of a square minus x square dx is equal to sine inverse of x by a plus c. It is standard formula in integrals. You got it. You got your problem into that form, isn't it? So sine inverse of, come on, in x place we are having t. t by 1 means t only. So is equal to 1 by 3 into sine inverse t. Which value we have taken t here? t is equal to x cube, right? Plus c is the answer of your question. This is your third question. Okay, so very simple. First problem is a 7 marks question. Next 2 are 2 marks question. First problem, whenever downwards cos is there, sin is there, both are there, you take t is equal to tan x by 2. And for the second, substitution. Even for third also, substitution. If you observe the problem, if we take one value as a t, after differentiation we will get another value, and after the substitution the problem will be in one of the standard form. In both cases it happened like this, that's why we go for substitution method. Okay, so that's all for today. Have a nice day.